In this video, I'll show you how to create a panel slide scene change in Adobe Premiere Pro. This transition divides your frame into panels that slide away to reveal the next clip, creating a clean and modern scene change. It works great for corporate videos, product showcases, presentations, and tech content. Let's get started. First, place your two video clips on the timeline and make sure they touch at the cut point where you want the transition. Now, go to the effects panel, search for panel wipe, drag and drop it between your clips. Now select the transition and open effect controls. Here are the most important settings. Angle controls the direction of panel movement. Change the value to move the panels horizontally, vertically, or diagonally. Num panels controls how many panels appear. Increase it for more panels, decrease it for fewer larger panels. Width and height control the size of each panel. Adjust these values to change panel proportions. Shape controls the panel shape style. Increase or decrease it to get different panel looks. Diffraction controls distortion inside the panels. Increase it for stronger glass-like distortion. Decrease it for a cleaner reveal. Zoom controls the zoom effect during the transition. Increase it for more dramatic movement. Decrease it for subtle motion. Defocus controls blur during the transition. Increase it for softer panels. Decrease it for sharper detail. Texture adds surface texture to the panels. Increase it for more visual detail. Decrease it for a cleaner look. Colorize controls. Color tint intensity. Increase it for stronger color styling. Decrease it for a natural look. Highlights and shadows control panel lighting. Adjust them to brighten highlights or deepen shadows. Use a shorter duration for a fast panel slide. Use a longer duration for a smoother reveal. And that's it. That's how you create a panel slide scene change in Adobe Premiere Pro. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Adobe Premiere Pro tutorials.